My newest pattern has a stitch called Back Post Treble 6 together. So basically we're going to make 6 partial back post trebles and then bring them all together into one stitch. So you want to start out creating a treble. To do a treble, you yarn over 2 times. Now we're going to create the back post. We're going to come in from the back, go around the post, and back through the space between the posts. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. There's your first partial treble. You have 2 loops left on your hook. We're going to do that 5 more times. Yarn over 2, come in from the back around the post and back through the other side. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. You now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, insert around the post, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We now have 4. We're going to continue until we have 6 loops on the hook. Yarn over 2, yarn over, go through 2. I'm going to make 2 more. So now you should have 7 loops on your hook. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yarn over, pull through all of those loops. And then I usually close it with a tight chain.